guys, more and more fun. This is Algebra 2, Video 4.1, Absolute Value. Okay, so here's example 1. I'm not really sure why I wrote out the word 1, but anyway, this is example 1. What you're noticing, we're still in equations. You know how much I love my equations. But what's different is your variable y is located inside those absolute value bars. I cannot say this loud enough, okay? When you're doing absolute value equations, you must isolate those bars, okay? You want the only thing on that left-hand side to be the absolute value of y minus 1. So with that in mind, right away, see that 17, you're gonna get rid of it. Just trust me. If there was a shorter way, I would show you, okay? You're gonna rewrite the y minus 1 in absolute value bars. You have $23, you lose 17, that sucks for you. You have 6 left over, okay? Now when you're here, see how you have the bars isolated and that y minus 1 in there? We're gonna crack it open, what I call crack it open. When you crack it open, really simple, just drop the bars and write exactly what you see, okay? Put the word or here for equals. I want you to drop the bars one more time, do nothing to it, but change the sign of the number on the right, okay? And it's because absolute value is distance. If you plot the number 6 on the number line, it's 6 units from 0, okay? But if you plot the number -6, even though it's on the left, it's still the same amount of distance, 6 units, okay? And that's why you have that 6 and that -6. Now you might find this bad news, but now you get 2 for 1 equations, but they solve the same. So you add 1, you get y equals 7. You add 1, you get y equals -5. And you are set. I want you to say over and over, 2 bars, 2 answers. 2 bars, 2 answers. Drives me absolutely insane. I always see people give me 1 answer for those. 2 bars, 2 answers. Of course, there could be an exception, but not in this case. All right, talk to me. Example 1, absolute value. Fun, ain't it? Yeah, I know. All right, we're gonna try another one because you look hungry for more. Man, just hungry. Okay, so look, this ties in with that proportion I was talking about. This is a fraction, this is a fraction, and we wanna get those bars by itself. Well, when I multiply, here, this is gonna be the cross products, right? When I multiply 1 times that, look, I'm just gonna get the absolute value. Okay, so that's good, the absolute value of y minus 10. When I multiply the other arrow, I'm gonna get 12. Okay, your bars are isolated. Okay, so now you can crack it open. All right, so y minus 10 equals 12. Put the word or, drop those bars again, change the number 12 to -12. Okay, because remember, 12 and -12 are both 12 units from 0. All right, then look, solve away. If you notice, you're really just doing the same thing to both sides. All right, and now you have y equals 22 or y equals -2. Talk to me, okay? What we're saying is both of these values, when you plug it back in the equation, will work. Okay, that's exactly what we're saying. What is that doubt I see in your eyes? Okay, fine, so we're gonna check it. So you write down the original problem. Okay, here's the original problem with the bars on it. All right, and then I'm just gonna pick one of the numbers. Let's just pick -2. So I'm gonna replace y with -2. And I'm hoping that's gonna give me -6. Okay, now look in here. When you have a number now, see how we don't have a variable anymore? You can go ahead and simplify. It's kind of like parentheses. So we can do same, change, opposite, okay? And you're gonna get -12, but then when you take the bars of it, the absolute value of it, it becomes +12 divided by -2, which I hope equals -6. And yeah, baby, -6 does equal -6, and this is true. Okay, so you can plug these values in, and again, say to yourself, 2 bars, okay, 2 answers. 2 bars, 2 answers. And again, it is great to see you guys. Take it easy. Hope to see you soon.